Do you want to make money online and have more freedom? Learn the tactics we used to earn over $100 per day, working around 5 hours per day, with nothing more than a computer and internet connection. We work whenever and wherever we want, plus take time off whenever we please. Want to know how we did it? Then this course is perfect for you. We will quickly go over the top 20 ways we have used to make money online, before discussing the steps you need to take, as well as the valuable tips and tricks you need to know if you want to be successful. Of course, you don't have to quit your day job, but if you take action on the information presented herein, you'll probably want to. The methods presented in this course allowed us to make thousands of dollars remotely per month and live the lifestyle we always wanted. If it's possible for us, it's also possible for you, and we guarantee that using the methods in this course and with some effort, you will be changing your life for the better in no time. Each day that you procrastinate, you only put yourself further behind in reaching your goals. Change your life today. Start this course now.